Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about super sense, and in the super sense we are going to discuss about color, sounds and message, and partially we are going to discuss about sloth and sleeping and awaking routine of sloth and other animal. Now let me begin with the question that do animals see colors? Animals cannot see as many colors as we can. In all animals, including humans, the perception of color is determined by the presence of cells in the eye called cone photoreceptor. Cats and dogs have two kinds of cones which are sensitive to blue and green light. This means they have a useful level of a color. It is believed that animals that are awake in the daytime can see some colors. Those animals like owl and bat that are awake at night can see things only in black and white colors. Student, refer these two pictures. First picture is a vision of human vision with full color range possible because of specialized retina including cone photoreceptors and macula. In second picture, this is a vision of animals. Animals rely on a contrast and movement to identify objects. This type of normal vision is restored following cataract surgery with implantation of replacement lens. Students, now I am going to explain you very shortly about the vision of a bird, how their eyes work. Most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. Their eyes can focus on two different things at a time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. You must have seen birds moving their neck very often. Do you know why? Because in the most of the birds, eyes are fixed and cannot move. So birds have to turn their head to see around. Students, now let's discuss about sounds and message. Like some animals and birds communicate through sound. Yes, change in a rate, pitch and structure of a sounds communicate different messages. By emitting clicks or short pulses of a sound, these marine animals can listen for echoes and detect objects under water. This is called echolocation. Some whales and dolphins use echolocation to look at food. Yes, dolphins also make a different sounds to give a message to each other. Scientists believe that many animals have a special language of their own. Now let me give you an example of a snake. They don't have external ears which you can see. They only feel the vibration on the ground. Let's discuss about another examples. For example, langur. Langur warns others of a dangers like a tiger or leopard. The langur does this by making a special warning call. Secondly, birds also give alarm calls to warn about the danger. Some birds even have a different sounds for a different kinds of danger. For example, there is a different warning call if the enemy is coming from the sky or if the enemy is on the ground. Some animals started behaving in a different way when an earthquake or a storm is about to come. People who live in the forest and can observe such behavior of animals come to know of the danger. In December 2004, for example, in December 2004, few tribes that live in the forest of the Andaman Island noticed the animals behaving in a different manner. They guessed some danger, so they moved away to a safer part of the island. Soon after, the island was hit by the tsunami, but these people were saved. Students, let's discuss about routine of sleeping and awaking of a sloth and other animals. Sloth of the present day are arboreal. Arboreal means inhabiting trees. Means sloth lives on a tree. For mammals, noted for a slowness of a movement and for spending most of their lives hanging upside down in the trees of the tropical rainforest of South America and Central America. The 6 species are in 2 families, 2-toed sloth and 3-toed sloth. Sloth looks like a bear, but it is not. It is a sloth. It spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping while hanging upside down on a tree branches. The sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. It hardly needs anything else. When it has eaten enough leaves for that trees, it moves to the nearby tree. Sloth lives for about 40 years, and in that time they move around only 8 trees. Once a week it comes down from the tree, relieve itself. Now let me explain you sleeping and awaking routine of other animals. Cow sleeps for 4 hours. Python sleeps for 18 hours. Giraffe sleeps for 2 hours and cat sleeps for 12 hours. Students, this is a picture of a sloth for your understanding. Student, this is all about sounds and message, color, animal can see colors, and sloth. Now I would like to give you a small activity which related to national park. Collect the information of a national park and write in your notebook. Thank you so much.